Recording is rolling. It is Monday, March 15th. That's on Thursday. You guys had a sub. I had 37, but that is over with. So nothing's going up. Give you guys this take home quiz for kinematics dynamics. So get turn that in, and I will get that in the grade book as soon as I can. And so this week we're gonna review circular motion, gravitation, so that's gonna make orbits. And I think a really good way to kickstart that is to do this turntable friction lab. I've been wanting to do with you guys for a while. So, okay, and then we'll do review for next couple days. On Thursday, I'll get you guys the circular motion gravitation review quiz, and I'll have you guys also work in teams just like you did for this PowerPoint. You guys can work together. You'll each get an individual quiz, but you guys can share copies with each other. So, your goal today is to figure out what's the coefficient of static friction between these two surfaces, right? This material here and this material here. What's the coefficient of static friction? Okay. Now, what I gave you guys is a blank piece of paper. You guys have a blank piece of paper?
Oh, yeah.
You guys write your name on your paper? You guys write your name? Because it does help do things along a bit if I provide you guys a table, but I want to stretch you guys' imagination a little bit. So, how do you guys also do an AP style write up? You guys remember AP style write up? I'll throw this on the board also later, so you guys have access to this. Right? So you guys have that checklist. Okay. But at the top, you guys craft the question. So I'm giving you kind of verbally right now. What's the coefficient of friction between this material and this material, or this object and the surface, like that? Okay. And instead of providing you guys a table up front, I want you guys to figure out what variables do you think you need to record. Now, maybe you'll have a hint by looking at the tools that you have on your desk. Okay? You have a turntable and a mass. Okay? You guys have a ruler, that might be important. You guys have a stopwatch, maybe that will be helpful. Okay? So what variables do you want to keep track of? What do you want to measure? What do you want to calculate? And ultimately, how are you going to determine what is the coefficient of static friction? So I'll probably pop in sometime later in class and throw you guys some hints, but I do want to give you guys some time to think about this. And I'll walk around and make sure that you guys are on track.